So you want your website to be stunning and professional. Just go to Wix.com.
I just created a Wix site for my barber shop. Now with Wix Bookings, clients can book and pay for services online. Whether it be a shave, haircut, or beard trim. That's pretty sweet.
Also, with Wix SEO Wiz, you can get your new site on Google's first page. What?
I just love my new Wix site. With Wix Pro Gallery, I can showcase artwork in the most beautiful way. Oh, this is good. With Wix Events, I can invite guests to my opening night and keep tabs on my RSVPs.
And you know what? You'll bring in even more traffic to your site using Wix email marketing.
I created a pro Wix site for my bike shop. Now with Wix Stores, I sell my products online and manage my inventory. Perfect. I added Wix Chat, so whenever a customer has a question, I can answer them right away.
So you have these in blue? We do. And here's 10% off.
Wix Chat can boost your sales by 200%. Go to Wix.com. Create a professional website for your business today.